Here's how to fix Adobe Acrobat not responding or working. We'll go through several solutions, starting with updating the application and adjusting its security settings. First, open Adobe Acrobat from the Start menu. Once Acrobat is open, click Menu in the top left corner. Go to Help and select Check for Updates. Allow Acrobat to check for available updates and make sure you're running the newest version. Once that's confirmed, close the update window. Now open Menu again and select Preferences. From the left-hand menu, choose Security Enhanced. Find Enable Protected Mode at Startup and turn this option off. When the confirmation appears, click Yes. Next, make sure Protected View is also set to off. Then scroll to the bottom and click OK to save the changes. Restart Adobe Acrobat and check whether it's responding normally. If the problem remains, open the Start menu, search for Adobe Acrobat, and right-click the application. Select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click Adobe Acrobat and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then select OK. Now we'll repair the Acrobat installation. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Select Apps from the left side, then choose Installed Apps. Find Adobe Acrobat in the list, click the three dots beside it, and select Modify. When the setup window appears, click Next. Choose Repair, then select Next again. After that, click Update and allow the repair process to complete. This will check the Acrobat installation and repair files that may be missing or damaged. When the process finishes, click Finish and close the window. If Acrobat still isn't working, open File Explorer and open your C drive. Go to Program Files, then Adobe, followed by Acrobat DC. Open the Acrobat folder and locate the folder named Plugins 3D. Open that folder, select everything inside it, right-click the selected files, and choose the Delete option. Once that's done, we'll clear Acrobat's cache. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type app data into the Run box and press Enter. Open the local folder, then go to Adobe, followed by Acrobat DC. Find the cache folder and open it. Select everything inside the folder, right-click the selection, and delete the files. Once the cache has been cleared, close the window and launch Adobe Acrobat again. If Acrobat is still not responding, the final option is to completely reinstall it. Open Settings from the Start menu, select Apps, and go to Installed Apps. Find Adobe Acrobat, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for Acrobat to be removed from your computer. Once it's uninstalled, open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Launch the Microsoft Store and use the search bar at the top to search for Acrobat. Find Adobe Acrobat Reader in the results, open it, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch Acrobat and check whether the problem has been resolved. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.